YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Back again today with a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This version is actually meant for vinyl pools, but this will actually work for the concrete versions as well. Stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to fix this thing. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This is their vinyl liner cleaner. As you guys can tell, I've got this thing stripped down to pretty much nothing. If you guys want to know where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist for you guys where I took this thing apart from the outside in. For today's video, it's more informational than it will be of a replacement, as you already have access to the item I'm talking about, which will be this top idler gear. So obviously, if you guys don't know how to get to this, you will want to watch that playlist. There are 2 videos before this that you'll want to follow to make sure that you guys can actually get access in here to this top gear. So as an overview, this top gear is where your hose is actually going to plug into. So this main swivel is going to also drive a gear mechanism in here that helps the cleaner change direction. So as you guys know, with these cleaners, they're more of just an agitating cleaner. So as the turbine inside spins, it's just basically moving it forward. So in order to get it to kind of start changing different directions and to move different ways, they've added this as that brain. So essentially this has teeth all around the outside that make contact here with some additional gears on top, which then run a gearbox underneath, which then changes the actual mentality of the cleaner. So as the cleaner's buzzing around, this will spin a certain amount of times, a certain way, and that will actually change the cleaner to change directions to make sure that it's actually trying to optimally clean every inch of your pool compared to just agitating and getting stuck and doing things. It has a brain in it. It's just not necessarily a full gear system like some of those other cleaners out there. So it is important that if this is not functioning, if these teeth have worn down, if there's an issue, then obviously this cleaner's not going to operate correctly. If this shears off, you're not going to be able to plug your hose in, so obviously that's going to be an issue. So it is important to make sure that this top gear is in good condition to make sure that this cleaner functions. You'll notice right underneath it as well, it'll have like a little red ring here. This red ring is also very important to the functionality of the cleaner. This is basically sealing up and allowing that gear to glide on top and actually make connection with the other gears. So if for some reason you do not have this red piece in there, you will want to make sure that you guys purchase this as well. We'll have all these available down below for you guys. So you guys can click on the links in the description, come visit the website directly. But just wanted to kind of give you guys more of an overview than a quick fix on what this gear does and what the functionality and purpose of it is, so that you guys understand how important this is to actually get the cleaner to work. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way on other cleaners out there on the market. And until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.